Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. This is 5th class maths. Previous class we learned about addition and subtraction. Today our topic is S3, multiplying and dividing. Children, I will start with one example. Here, a science book has 32 pages. How many pages are there in 64 science book? Okay. Now, which operation will use here, children? Multiplication. So now here we have to multiply number of pages into number of books. See, 64 into 32. Now, how will multiply? Here we start from ones place, ones by ones, multiply ones by tens. So now 4 twos are 8, 2 6 are 12. Next we'll start with by tens place. So here this is ones place. No, we'll here write here 0. We'll start with by tens place. 3 fours are 12. So this 12 we'll write here. We'll regroup in tens place. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. Now we'll add here 8 plus 0 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is 2048. Children, now I will show an example on division. 98,765 divided by 134. So 134 you write tables on in rough column. Now you have to start dividing. First what you have to do, no, here 3 digits are there. Here also you have to take 3 digits. So 987. So in the 987, in 134 table, you have to find the nearest number for 987. So find, children, in 134, which is the nearest number for 987. So here see, 134 into 7. This is the nearest number of for 987. So 134 sevens are 938. See, when you are dividing, you have to start from the highest place. Now 7 minus 8, you can't subtract. You have to take borrow from 8. Now 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now bring it 6 down. 496. And find for 496 which is the nearest number. Here 134 threes are 402. 402 minus 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring down 5. Again 945. For 945, which is the nearest number here, children? Again 134 into 7, 938. If we take 134 into 8, here 4 digits are there. So that's why 134 into 7 is 938. Now take borrow from 4. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. Here it is called remainder. This is quotient. Children, take out your workbook, page number 15. First you write your date. Our first bit is solve. This divide. So first sum I'll show in on board. Now we are multiply ones by ones by tens and continue. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 1 carry. 4 fours are 16 plus 1 17. 1 carry. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 2 carry. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Now we'll start with the tens place. So we are starting with the tens place now. So we'll write here 0. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 4 threes are 12. 3 fours are 12. 2. 1 carry. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. 1 carry. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Now we'll multiply in 100s place. So we'll write here 1s place 0, 10s place 0. Now 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. Now add this. 8 plus 0, 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 carry. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 carry. 1, 2, 3 and 1. What is the answer, children? 1,32,05,088 is the answer. When you are dividing larger number, you are divide larger number by smaller number. Now, see here 345 is there. So, you have to take here 3 digits. Here 423. So, which is the nearest number in 345 table? Find the nearest number. Here 345 into 341 is 345. If you take 2 2's 345 2's are 690. But 423 is there. So you have to take 345 ones are 345. Children, you know when you are dividing, start divide by largest place. Take borrow. Now 13 minus 5 is 8. Again take borrow. 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. Bring 5 down. 785. Now find which is the nearest numbers for 785. So 345, 2 is 690. If we take 3, we can't take 3 because 1035. So 345 2 is 690. 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 9, we can't subtract. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 6, 0. Again bring down 6. 345. Again we have to take from 345. 2 is 690. Minus 6 minus 0, 6. Take borrow 8. 15 minus 9 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. This is the answer. This is small number. We can't divide with 345. So this is reminder. Now in second bit, form a 5-digit and 3-digit number using 0 to 9 so that they have the biggest product possible. So 0 to 9, form a 5-digit number. For biggest product, what you have to do now, children? You have to take biggest number in highest place. Okay? Then you will get biggest product. What you have to do, children? Biggest number in biggest highest place. Then you will get the highest product. Now here, form a 5-digit and 3-digit number using 0 to 9 so that they have the smallest product. That means you have to take smallest number in highest place. Okay children, hope all of you understood. Thank you.